scholarship to go to America, and my passion is to help more kids that cannot afford to get these opportunities. It doesn't mean that you're from a poor family, you should not get the opportunity to pursue your dreams and your goals. I'm from Kilifi, but I tell people Western Kenya is where football is. Football in Kenya is made in Western Kenya. I like the passion. We were just sitting here, we were like, man, if I took this event in Mombasa, it will be there at night. Tutakula pilau, alafu tuzao, but you guys have the energy, the passion, and like you're so passionate about football, and you can see it with the way the players are doing, and also the report I got from Nastic after taking Aldrin and Amos, Alvin Kasabuli, even Luis Ingavi, I took him from Goseta, I took him to America. They are very disciplined, and also they focus so much on academics. Si ile unasema mimi ni mzuri mpira kwa hivyo sitaki kwenda darasani. So that's the report. So I want to urge the players who are here, if you're selected, it's just the beginning, you're selected. You carry a flag for the whole of Western Kenya, because if you do well, they will say, hey, he's from Western, let's go to Western and actually get more players. So it's really good, I'm excited to be here. It's my first time here with the team. They're also excited. Again, we know all these players can play, but it's for them to show us, even if you are not an Aldrin Kibet, an Amos Wanjala, can we put you in that environment where you have a nutritionist, you have a physiotherapist, you have a performance analyst, you have like a strength and conditioning coach. If we put you in that environment, can you get to that level within a short time? And they're investing a lot. It costs them about 12 million Kenya shillings per player per year. So you can imagine, Nastic is a big foundation. They've done so much in Kenya by giving opportunities to players. So I hope we can get some here, and we make Mheshimiwa proud. And what is done is not something very small. Hii sijaiona hata governor yote akifanya. Ni ile